In 3, 2, 1. What is it about them? I must be missing something. They just keep doing nothing. Too intoxicated to be scared. Better off without them. They're nothing but unstable. Bring ashtrays to the table, and that's about the only thing they share. I'm in the second-hand smoke, still just drinking canned Coke. I don't need a Xanny to feel better. And on designated drives home, only one who's not stoned. Don't give me a Xanny now or ever. Waking up at sundown, they're late to every party. Nobody's ever sorry. Too inebriated now to dance, mourning as they come down. Their pretty heads are hurting, they're awfully bad at learning. Make the same mistakes, blame circumstance. I'm in the second-hand smoke, still just drinking canned Coke. I don't need a Xanny to feel better. Non-designated drives home, only one who's not stoned. Don't give me a Xanny now or ever. And please don't try to kiss me on the sidewalk, on your cigarette break. I can't afford to love someone who isn't dying by mistake in Silver Lake. What is it about them? I must be missing something. They just keep doing nothing. Too intoxicated to be scared. We did it! If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have recently clicked that red subscribe button, welcome to the Uke fam, the best Uke fam on the internet, in my opinion. Also, we are playing the official Billie Eilish signature uke by Fender Ukulele. If you want to get and check out this uke, I can't speak, I'll leave a link in the description below. Again, this is the concert size Billie Eilish uke. It has the Blush logo all over it, which I actually really love. So again, a link will be in the description below if you want to check out this uke. Also, if you do want to go check out any of my other socials, TikTok, Twitter, Patreon, and Instagram, links for everything will be down below. Also, links to the merch. I'm wearing the official Uke Fam hat. I just boinked the mic. But yeah, we have hats, shirts, t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, all that good stuff. Again, that will be down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.